Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What a great feeling to finally have the patience to learn trading. Let's get on YouTube and watch some trading tutorials. This one looks good. Let me start with this.
Hi guys, today I'm revealing trading secrets that it took me over 8 years to learn. Before we begin, let us...
Just one breath later.
Let's check the comments. Wow. Who is this Mrs. Charlotte that everyone is talking about here? This comment has 202 likes and over 50 replies. There must be something really interesting here. Wait, an investment expert. Maybe this is a scam. This person says they are blessed to have met her. This other comment says they made $24,000 in profit with their first investment. Holy mother of God. This other person is also wondering who this expert is. Wait, this other person was just like me, watching YouTube videos, but not getting any results. This conversation feels so real, boys. There is no way this can be a scam with all these comments. If this investment expert is actually as these comments say she is, then my money problems are over.
Dude, how is it going with learning trading? I'm picking up some cool strategies already.
Zuma is right. I should focus on learning trading myself. It's too risky to give my money to some investment expert I don't know. My friend, most traders you see on YouTube tell you that it took them on average 9 years to learn trading. Do you have that time and patience? Stop lying to yourself. Don't fall for this scam. Take the patience to learn your own strategies. So after all those real comments testifying of Mrs. Charlotte's professionalism, you're still gonna be a coward? Don't miss out on this opportunity to make your money work for you. Check the comments again. Look, see this comment here that is cautioning us about scammers. If this was a scam, they won't be bold enough to talk about other scammers. This must be legit, boys. This end of year is finally gonna end well. What a lucky day to be on YouTube. Let me contact her right away and start printing money. Hi Mrs. Charlotte, my name is Wojak.
Hey Wojak, unfortunately I can only accommodate one more client at this time, and someone else is already about to take that spot. You might need to wait and join the next batch in 8 months' time. But if you are quick, you can secure this one available spot now.
No. I can't wait that long. Give me your Bitcoin address. I'm sending you $12,000 investment right away.
Received. Nice doing business with you.
Let me ask her when I will get my first profit.